Welcome to this meditation for overcoming social phobia. Please find a comfortable position and take a nice deep breath. As you breathe out, close your eyes and begin to ponder your social anxiety. How many people does it take for you to feel socially anxious? Perhaps it is about 3 or 4, or maybe it takes more people in order for you to feel anxiety. And take a nice deep breath in, and as you breathe out, know that right here and right now, you have nowhere to be and nothing to do but relax. Within your mind, I'd like for you to imagine a piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, you are going to write the number 10. And as you do so, allow the pen moving across the paper in your imagination to relax you. And now write the number 9, letting it relax you too. Then the number 8, relaxed. 7, write it out. 6, 5. Each number you write makes you feel more calm and more at ease. 4, 3, 2, and 1. After writing out all these numbers, you may feel more relaxed than you have in a very long time. Enjoy this feeling for a few moments. It is important to get yourself out